everyone, my name is Queen and I'm a pharmacist and also a health enthusiast. Like, I'm super enthusiastic about healthy living. So basically what I show you guys in my channel are very easy do-it-yourself recipes for cooking, baking, desserts, snacks, and any other thing that you basically put in your mouth. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my homemade healthy yummy yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. Like, I love yogurt. Like, I love yogurt. And yogurts are very, very nutritional. Apart from having probiotics, they also have proteins, the whey, the casein proteins. They also have carbs, and the carbs are very simple sugars, mostly from lactose, which converts to lactic acid thanks to the fermentation process. So I'm going to be making my own starter from scratch. I'm not getting a store-bought starter. So I'll show you guys how to make your starters and how to make your healthy yogurts. For our yogurt, we'll have chili pepper, lemon, water, and milk. Any type of milk is okay, lactose free too is okay. For the chili pepper, ensure the stalk is still on it. We dissolve our milk in warm water. You can use cold water, but make sure it dissolves completely. Then we pour the milk inside a pot and let it boil. You might not need to boil it, but I want to boil mine to kill off any harmful bacteria. Oh, see how creamy that is. So we boil it and let it cool. Well, if you don't have a thermometer, you can use your finger to check. For our starter, the lemon, we dip a side of the lemon into a part of the milk. Make sure one end is slit. And for the chili pepper, we put the whole chili pepper including the stalk. Oops, Mr. Lemon, where are you going to? So we ensure the chili pepper and the stalk is inside the milk. Okay, back to your place, my lemony friend. So the lemon and the chili pepper contain bacteria that helps ferment the milk. So we cover these two and put them in a very warm environment. Okay, let me cover them. Put them in a very warm environment for about 12 to 24 hours. I put mine in a warm oven. Just preheat and put it off. So I left mine for 24 hours to ensure it ferments very well. So let's see. Okay, this is so lovely. Like, I could dance right now. So our starters are ready. So let me take those out. The lemon first. Let me check the lemon. Okay, you can see the slit over there. So, oh, sorry. I'm so excited here now. Okay, yeah. So this is how the starters will look like after fermentation. So over to the chili peppers. Let me take those out. And out you go. So let's check. Okay, no, I think I'll use another spoon. I don't want to contaminate both parts. So we check them and this is lovely. Like, I love how my starters came out. So you can use any type of milk, like I said, still gives you the same. So over to the main yogurt. We still do the same thing. We dissolve the milk, boil it, let it cool. So this is going to take some time to dissolve. Well, it will still dissolve, but like I said, still the same process like we did the starters. So I divided the milk in 2 batches. One I'll use with the lemon starter and the other with the chili starter. So first the lemon starter, I'll just use this. So I scoop some of the starter into a clean bowl. Just scoop some over there. And I will also scoop some milk just to make a curd. So if you are enjoying this, I would appreciate it if you like the video, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get more info. So I'll scoop a little bit more here just to make sure I have enough starter for my milk. So the remaining I would store it to make another batch any other time I want. So I'll mix this, mix it very well. It mustn't dissolve. And after that, I'm going to pour this mixture into the milk. Okay. So I'll pour everything into the milk. Yeah. So let me bring this closer. So make sure everything enters, at least a larger batch of it enters into the milk. And I turn it, making sure everything is inside. So here we are, the red for the lemon, the blue for the chili pepper starters. And we'll do the same thing, put it in a warm oven or a warm environment for almost the same time. I'm always doing this. So I left mine for I think about 20 hours. So let's check. I'm so excited. So first the lemon starter yogurt. Oh my god. Okay, let me scoop this so you guys know why I'm so excited now. Can you believe it? Very, very lovely yogurt. Like, our yogurt is set. So let me check the chili starter yogurt and see if it gives us the same or almost the same as that of the lemon. So let me check, and there you have it, a perfect scoop of yogurt. I think I have to bring it closer for you to see. Now take a look at that goodness. Oops. Well, still formed beautiful yogurt. So I'm going to store this in the fridge. You can also make Greek yogurt from this. Just strain the liquid out of your yogurts. So this is lovely. You can still scoop the yogurts now or store it in the fridge, but I want to store mine in the fridge. So that is it. Our yogurts are ready. If you think I'm not going to have a taste of this yogurt, think again. So I'll scoop some of it. So a little bit more. I can't wait to have a taste of this yogurt. So I'm going to add some blueberries. You can add any other fruit of your choice, banana, apples, just any one of your choice. I just had blueberries in the fridge, so I'll go with that. Then I'll drizzle in my honey. I don't want to use refined sugar, I want to use honey. So I'll drizzle in a little bit of honey there. And I have nuts in the fridge, mixed nuts, so I'll add those. You can use whatever you want, just be creative. So here we are. The yummy yogurt is ready. Oh. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my yogurts. I'd like to know what you guys think and how you make yours for those that also make their own yogurts. Then remember to like and subscribe. Have a lovely day.